Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my Model Y here, and guys, I don't know if you knew about this, but Tesla has a Supercharger voting poll on their website. So if you go to tesla.com, you go on the website, you go under charging, and then you go under supercharging, and then you can vote for a location. Every 3 months, Tesla has a locations, and people nominate these locations to be voted on for the next upcoming supercharger location. So for example, in your area, if there's an area where you need a supercharger, you can nominate that location and it can potentially get added on this voting list. The top locations will get a supercharge location eventually. So for example, if we go on the Tesla website here, we go under charging, and then it says Supercharger voting. So you do have to have a Tesla account in order to be able to log in to vote. So if you go to vote on proposed locations, you can decide which location you want to cast your votes. Now every Tesla account gives you 5 votes per quarter, so it's every 3 months. We're in January of 2024 right now, and so we have till the end of this first quarter to vote on locations. Top locations right now on the leaderboard are like Hungary, Romania, several places in Romania. I don't know how many they have over there, and a lot of people are voting for those. But guys, I am asking everyone watching this video to vote for my supercharger location. So I last quarter, and I think it was like October, November of last year, I nominated a location in my area for a supercharger. My location's kind of like 25 miles away from a supercharger. There's not one very convenient. We desperately need one in my area here, so I nominated the city I live in to have a supercharger. So I'm asking everyone, guys, if you can spare one vote this season, this quarter, if you can vote for my location, that'd be awesome if we can get this location to the top results. So after on the website, after you go to Supercharge voting, it'll say log in to vote. So you'll log in with your Tesla account. So once you log in, you'll see kind of a leaderboard. It'll show all of the top results. You can search by globally. You can search North America, Europe, Middle East. I live in northern Utah in the United States, and I nominated a location in my area to get a supercharger. And right now, it's the leading supercharge location in my state of Utah. So if you zoom in on the map under Utah, you'll see that there's a place called Layton, Utah. If you go there, and then you just select the location, you'll see a little bubble. It has the number of votes that are currently on that. You just select vote, and that'll vote on that. Now you can only vote for one location one time. You get 5 votes. So if you can vote for my location, I would really appreciate it. It'd really help me out a lot if we can get a supercharger in my area here, because we really need one here. And then you'll have 4 other votes for other areas, around your area. You can use your votes for other areas. The votes kind of reset every quarter, so they'll reset in April, and new locations will be populated on the map here. You can also nominate if there's an area where you need to nominate a place, you can, and you kind of give an explanation as to why the supercharger is needed and so forth, so you can kind of justify your submission on there. Guys, so let's get this location to the top #1 spot, at least in North America. That would be awesome if we can get this on there. So once your vote is cast, and now in April, so in about 3 months time after the quarter's ended, they'll tally all the votes. They'll kind of see where your location ends up, and then if it's one of the top results, there's potential to get a supercharger in that location. So guys, this is a cool thing that Tesla's doing. They're allowing people to vote on the location where these superchargers are needed. I desperately need one in my area, guys, so help me out. Vote for my location. I'll leave a link to it down below. See a screenshot here. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'd really appreciate a vote. If you can reach out, if you can log into your account, vote for my location. I would really appreciate it. I'll do a couple update videos as the quarter goes on. As we get more votes on this location, that'll be awesome. It'll be awesome to see this location to get to the top result, guys. So leave your comment down below. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.